Hi, I'm Lise from Surmulerum. What do you do with your sourdough discard? You know, you feed your sourdough and every time you have this left over. I usually put mine in the fridge, next to the previous one, and the previous one. But what do you do with it? The same thing you do with too many overripe bananas. Make pancakes! And today it happens to be Andy's birthday, so let's make him a treat. But before we do, can I please ask you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already? It's completely free and it would really help us getting our videos out to more people. And ding that little bell icon so you'd never miss a video. Thank you so much. We are Andy and Lise, a musician and an illustrator. This is where all our crazy ideas come together. Welcome to the Surmulerum. Let's start with 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds. I make mine in the coffee grinder. Add 2 tablespoons of hot water and mix it well. Set it aside while you prepare the rest of the pancake batter. Mash 2 ripe bananas. Make sure it gets really soft. Add your sourdough starter. It's not important how much, just add what you have, but be sure to keep enough for your next feed. I ended up with almost 2 cups in this one. Add 2 cups of whole grain flour. You can use any flour really, but I like whole grain. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Add 6 tablespoons of maple syrup. One cup of any plant milk. This is soya milk. Because I use whole grain flour, I may need to add more plant milk later if the batter is too thick. 4 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. And lastly, add the pre-prepared flax mixture. Mix it well until you have a nice smooth batter. This is where I found my batter a bit thick and added some more plant milk, a little at a time. Don't make it too thin, it still needs to hold together. Then I add the blueberries. I just use frozen ones, but if you have fresh berries, even better. Now let's bake some pancakes. I add some coconut oil to a hot pan and let it melt. I don't need to teach anybody how to cook pancakes. I'm sure you know how to do that. Instead of my talking, enjoy Andy's music for a bit. I usually put the pancakes in the oven to keep them warm while cooking the rest. Sometimes you do have to break up their love for each other. And a large, special birthday pancake. I got 15 regular-sized pancakes and 1 larger birthday pancake out of this batch. Make some coffee or tea and enjoy these sweet, fluffy pancakes. They look so good. Give them some maple syrup. And this one is for the birthday boy. Happy birthday, Andy. And now, enjoy. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, give us a like. Please subscribe to our channel, it's completely free. And if you hit the little bell icon, you'll be notified when we upload new videos. And remember, in a world where you can be anything, be kind. Thank you.